Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a Valentine's wreath and these are the supplies I'm using. I'm going to start off with the burlap mesh that I picked up from Walmart last year around Christmas time, and I'm going to zip tie that to the frame, the heart frame that I purchased from Dollar Tree, just to get it started. And I'm going to make 10-inch poofs all the way around the heart frame. I do use my measurements on my mat to measure out the 10-inch poofs, and I'm going to secure them with a pipe cleaner. So I'm going to go up and under that middle bar of the heart frame to secure it with the pipe cleaner. So here I'm measuring out another 10-inch poof, and I'm just gathering it up in my fingers, and I'm going to attach it to the frame with another pipe cleaner. And I'm using the middle bar. I'm going up and underneath that middle bar. This way the pipe cleaners are exposed at the top because I want to add ribbon tails later. As I work my way around the heart frame, I am going to push each poof up against the other one. I'm just going to keep going with my 10-inch poofs all the way around the heart frame until it's complete. I did, however, run out of this mesh, and I had to pull out another bolt of this mesh that I had, and all I did was zip tie it to the frame to get it started again. I probably could have done a better job at spacing out the burlap mesh, but I do want this wreath to be very full and fluffy because I do want to cover up my mechanics. I don't want the frame to be seen. Now that I've made my way all the way around the wreath frame, I'm going to pull apart the poofs that I've made. And this is what we have so far. Next, I want to work on my ribbon tails. I am cutting them at 12 inches in length, and I want to put 2 ribbons in each pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to dovetail each end of the ribbon tails and get them ready to go to be placed into the wreath. All you do is fold them at each end and cut at a V, and that gives you the pretty little detail. Here I'm taking 2 of the ribbon tails and I'm going to find the middle, crimp it off in the middle, and then I'm going to place it into the pipe cleaner. And once I get it in the pipe cleaner, I'm going to twist tie the pipe cleaner off and fan them out. I'm going to continue to do this technique until I make my way all the way around the wreath frame. Here I'm just fanning out my ribbon tails and I'm kind of creating an X. You want 2 of the tails going up and 2 of the tails coming down. I'm going to continue to do this all the way around the wreath frame and make sure that every pipe cleaner has 2 ribbon tails in them. Okay, so I've made my way all the way around the wreath, and there is a spot deserving of a ribbon tail. I felt like it was a little bare right there, so I'm actually going to add 2 more ribbon tails to my wreath, and I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to do so. I do cut my ribbon tails at 12 inches. I'm going to use a pipe cleaner and twist tie it off in the middle of my ribbon tails, and then I'm going to make my way through my wreath until I find the base and twist tie it off. Now it's time to work on my sign. Before I put the cable mounts on the back of my sign, I am going to trim up this ribbon that came with it. I'm just going to give it some detail. I'm going to glue down some cable mounts and use pipe cleaners to attach it to my wreath. Cable mounts have a sticky backing to them, so I just peel that off and put a drop of glue onto the back of my sign, and then I'll put the sticky side down because the sticky part it's not good enough. It's not going to hold it. So I do add extra glue. Now that I have them glued into place, I'm going to use pipe cleaners to go through the cable mounts, and I'm going to twist tie those off on the back of the sign. And this way I have a way of attaching it to my wreath. Now I'm ready to attach my sign. So I'm just gonna find my way down through the wreath, and I'm going to attach the pipe cleaners to the base of my wreath frame. And I'm not gonna squish it down. I want it to sit on top of the wreath. So here I'm just twist tying it off in the back, and I'm doing like a loose tie. I just want it to sit on top of the wreath. I'm not going to pull those pipe cleaners through because I don't want to smash it. So now I'm just going to button up the back part of the wreath. I'm going to check my pipe cleaners, make sure everything's pushed back down into the wreath. Now I'm going to go back through and take care of the exposed pipe cleaners. I'm just going to twist them off, trim it up, and poke it back down into the wreath. Now I'm going to create a hook for my wreath. This way I have a way of attaching it to the door. And I have this grapevine wire, and I'm just going to make a circle out of it, and I'm going to feed it through the heart frame, and I'm also going to zip tie it down. Okay, folks, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.